Vlogmas day 13.
What a feeling, now it's time for Christmas. And Christmas is my favorite time of year. It's beginning to look like all my wishes are coming true.
Good morning everyone and welcome to Vlogmas day 13. So this morning Seth and I are quickly at the shops. I absolutely need to finish getting everything that I need for my delivery bag. I need my bag to be packed this week according to the midwife. So we're just quickly at Dischem, at a different Dischem because the previous one didn't have everything that I needed. So we're gonna hop into Dischem, see if they have what I need. I'm gonna hop into Checkers. There's just I think 2 or 3 small little things that I need to get for the house, and then we're gonna head back home. So that's the plan for this morning, so I'm just gonna take you guys along.
Just like it should at Yuletide. The parcels are all under the tree, right where they should be. Soon everything is Christmas-fied. Disney bona fide. And so are all of you. So fast, I wish I could somehow make them last. Put it in a bottle, stick a label on, saying do not open till summer comes. Right now, let's save it.
Okay, so Seth and I are back home now, and I just have to say, I don't know how many pregnant women there is right now and how many is going to give birth around about the same time as me, because every single Dischem is sold out of pretty much all the things that I need to take with in my delivery bag. So anyway, I managed to get one item, so hopefully the one that I still need won't be such a big deal, or hopefully I can get it before little baby arrives. But anyway, I thought I would show you guys what I got from the store just because. So this was the one item that I could find that I needed to take with. They asked for 2 packs, so I'm taking 2 packs with, so I managed to find this at least today. Then I just got some more hairbands for my husband and Seth. Then I took some Panado from Dischem as well because my midwife suggested that I drink some of this in early stages of labor and I needed some. So I got some Panado. I took one of these small toothpastes for my hospital or delivery bag. Also some mouthwash for that. And then I took this small 3-in-1 shower gel for my husband. Also for the delivery bag because he will be like able to take a shower if he wants to or needs to with me at the midwife. So I took these 3 small things for the bag. Then I just got some of these bath fizzers for gifts that I'm making up. Then from Checkers I just needed to grab wet wipes because somehow I forgot to take it with the grocery shop last week. So I just grabbed some wet wipes and also just a few snacks for my husband and Seth for when they go golfing. I'll have to pack them snacks and drinks when they do that. And also just needed some kitchen towels because I also somehow forgot about it in the grocery shop. So just took a pack of kitchen towels. And that's pretty much it. We stopped KFC on the way. I got some zinger wings. Seth got some nuggets and chips. And my husband got some dunked wings. Just as a little bit of a lunch snack.
underneath the mistletoe, get a kiss. The rest of the year may be hard to come by, so right now I'm gonna give it a try. And so are all of you. Does this come true? Santa Claus is on his worldwide tour, like so many a time before. And if you've been really good, it's true, Santa Claus has got something for you. Oh yeah. Ooh, yeah. And so
Okay, so it is past 6. Seth and I are done with our bath for the night, and I'm going to start making dinner. So we're gonna have this mincemeat fruit chutney flavor curry. We've never tried this before. So yeah, that's gonna be dinner, so I'm gonna get on with it.
Last year I thought about how things can come around just like that if everyone is here to celebrate one day. We have our ups and downs, but when there's love there's always a way. And oh, this time of year we come together to celebrate. Yes, every time the snow is falling down and it is cold outside, we gather around the fireplace and no one cares about yesterday. My favorite holiday, it means so much more than words can say. And I claim that Christmas is a magic day. Sometimes I tend to forget what glory this holiday represents, but it's fair to say that Christmas is a
Okay, so we've had dinner, and I think I'm gonna sign off here for tonight because we're just gonna watch a movie right now, and then after I've edited this vlog and put it up, I'm probably gonna go to bed. So I'm gonna say good night. Thanks for joining Vlogmas Day 13. We will see you guys tomorrow for day 14. Have a good night. Bye.